Hello everyone! Today I have an interesting video for you on 8 different flavors of frosting. For these we used our basic recipe of butter-based cream cheese frosting. You can find it on our website, the link is below the video. Sometimes perfect cake frosting doesn't require added food coloring. You can make it quicker, easier, and tastier with various additives. The first option is frozen black currant. We released a separate shorts video on this additive, so look for it in the feed. The color turns out beautiful and vibrant. The second option is salted caramel. You can see that the frosting with caramel has become a pleasant beige color, and it's also elastic and glossy. The third option is orange zest. It may seem like a simple additive, but the taste is incredible. It's a wonderful option for those who love citrus flavors, and the cake design looks elegant and concise. The fourth option is freeze-dried raspberries. This additive made the frosting even slightly denser, not runny. And it made the cake even easier to cover. The fifth option is mango puree. We have ready-to-use frozen puree that we simply defrost and add to the frosting. It turns out to be the runniest of all, like thick yogurt. Nevertheless, it still serves its purpose. We created a simple swirling design with it, which turns out adorable. The sixth option is Oreo cookies. We crush the cookies into crumbs and add them to the frosting. The crumbs are slightly hard when just added, but they soften later on and the frosting comes out dense. The seventh option is peanut butter. We didn't have any high expectations for this additive, but it turned out to be our favorite in terms of cake flavor. Everyone knows how delicious salty peanuts are. Here, the slightly salty cream cheese combines perfectly with crunchy peanut butter. It's unbelievably tasty, though the color is quite modest. And the last option, the eighth flavor, is chocolate. We simply grated dark chocolate and added it to the frosting. Below the video, you will find the proportions for all the 8 types of additives. These 8 variations of cream cheese frosting are the perfect option for quarter cakes. They look very harmonious and natural, don't you agree? You can find a lesson on the 3 recipes for cream cheese frosting on our website. I'll leave the link for you below the video. These are our favorite basic recipes that we have been working with for several years. Now, if you are making quarter cakes, which 4 options of tasty additives would you choose? Thanks for watching the Cake Course channel. Till next time, goodbye!